Alright dudes, got the new bushings pushed in by a shop. I got hooked up. They did it for like 20 bucks. I already had them, the old ones removed. Reusing the polys in the front here. So, trial and error. The easy way to do the controller and putting it back in is start with the rear one. Once you get that one lined up, and notice I got everything else out, axle, ball joint. Once you get that rear one in, then you can go to the front control and bushing back here, the red back there, and then you can get your axle lined up, get your ball joint lined up, and then get your sway bar bushing last. And that's pretty much the rundown on that. Anyways, I'll spare y'all the video of me putting it all back together, but at least wanted to give you guys a rundown. So start with the rear control and bushing when you're reassembling everything, and basically work from chassis out to here. All right guys, later.